Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today we're going to be diving and dissecting a really cool project that's called SoulGen.ai, and I'm super excited about it because I'm sure that a lot of you guys are absolutely going to love it. Basically, SoulGen.ai is one of the most exciting creative technologies available today. It's a platform that's designed to take your imagination and elevate it into stunning, high-quality visuals with almost no effort. The moment you enter SoulGen.ai, you step into a world where ideas no longer stay trapped in your mind, because SoulGen turns simple text descriptions into fully realized artwork, portraits, and even dynamic short videos in just a few seconds. Basically, you can describe absolutely anything. A futuristic heroine walking through neon-lit streets, a fantasy warrior standing on a mountaintop, a dream version of yourself, or a completely new character that you've never even seen before. SoulGen interprets your words through advanced deep neural networks and transforms them into detailed visuals that look like they were created by professional artists. The platform supports realistic, stylized, and anime-inspired art, giving you total freedom to create in whatever aesthetic fits your project or your personal vision or whatever your imagination can create. Now, for those who want more control, you can upload a reference photo to guide the AI and make the generated image resemble specific images by simply typing what you want changed, making it a powerful tool for creators who work quickly and iterate often. And now, with its growing video generation capabilities, SoulGen isn't just producing static art. It's helping users bring characters and concepts to life through motion, emotion, and storytelling. Now, whether you're a digital artist looking for a fast concept art, a writer or game developer trying to visualize characters, a content creator seeking fresh and original ideas, or simply someone who loves experimenting with AI, SoulGen offers endless possibilities. What once required expensive software, professional illustrators, or hours of manual work can now be explored instantly, giving anyone the power to create vivid artwork with almost zero learning curve. While it's important to craft clear prompts for the best results and to be mindful of the platform's ethical guidelines, SoulGen actually stands out as one of the most accessible, flexible, and visually impressive AI art tools on the market. It empowers creativity, speeds up production, and gives every single user the ability to express ideas that might otherwise stay uncreated. If you've ever imagined a scene, a character, or an entire world that you wish you could see, now is your chance, because SoulGen takes your ideas, brings them to life, and invites you to push the limits of creativity in a way that feels magical, intuitive, and incredibly fun. Explore SoulGen.ai and unlock a new era of visual creation where imagination has no boundaries. Having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you all in the next video.